Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove your parked domain, which means you are not using it and it's only registered. So to do this, you're going to go here on your home page, for example. There's various options how you can access it. And now on domain option, you can actually click manage. So click on the website you want to delete. And one option is actually to just turn off the auto renewal, and after that basically you will not own your website and it will not renew and you will not pay for it. Or there's other option. You're gonna click on websites right here, and as you can see there's two websites for me, but you can also, if you will click manage, you will be redirected to the same page we just been but when you click these three dots, you can actually see the delete button. So when you click on delete, you can this action cannot be undone, if you understand, and you click this and click on delete. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you delete a park domain.